Meet Mitchell, the owner of a large manufacturing plant in Australia. Last year, he experienced a major boiler breakdown. The plant production line came to a halt and the company faced a major loss of revenue. At that time, one of his friends told him about O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd and how they could him. So, he visited their site and went through all the details. Mitchell learned that O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd is the leading provider of industrial steam boiler maintenance services in Australia. Also, he could get a comprehensive range of maintenance including routine inspections, major repairs and 24/7 emergency service. Without any delay, the plant's management contacted O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd and a team of technicians is dispatched to the scene. Their skilled technicians quickly and efficiently diagnose and repair the problem. Within a few hours, the boiler is back up and running and the plant's production line is restored. It has been more than 10 months since Mitchell is running his manufacturing plant without any breakdown issues. If you also face any boiler breakdown issues shortly, just call 1300771759 or visit https://o'brien-energy.com.au for any information.